I seek protection with Allah from the Satan, the outcast. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear learners, now we are going to start the second part of the consonants, that is fricatives. Phonetics, Volume 2. Why they are called fricatives? At next page, you will have its details. Let us make its learning a success with Zulfikar Ali Chaudhary at Z Scholars Academia. साफ और वाज़े गुफ्तगू आपकी शख्सियत की मज़हर होती है। आइए सीखें। Fricatives are speech sounds characterized by audible friction, produced by forcing the breath through a constricted or partially obstructed passage in the vocal tract, also called spirants. There are 9 fricatives: fa, va, tha, da, z, sha, ya, and ha. The fricatives fa and va are produced with the lower lip coming in contact with the upper teeth. Hence, these are called labiodental fricatives. Page 3. Fa is strong, voiceless, long consonant, and va is weak, voiced, and short. Here the first one is given fa. Its examples are file, few, fat, fast. Now we will study their meaning and their use in sentences. File, a folder, box, etc., used to keep documents or other items in order. I saw his file on the table. Few, a small number of hardly any. Many are called, but few are chosen. Fat, having much or too much flesh or fat. He bought a fat ram from the market. Fast, acting or moving quickly. Swift, he ran fast to catch that train for Lahore. Page 4. As already explained, fa is strong, voiceless, long consonant, and va is weak, voiced, and short. Examples of the fricative va: while, view, wet, vast. While, unpleasant or bad. We worked hard in vile weather. View, a scene, especially of a fine tract of countryside. The view from the top was superb. Wet, a large container for holding or storing liquids. They put the mercury in a vat. Vast, unusually large size, extent, degree or number immense. They played football in a vast ground. Page 5. The fricatives the are produced with the tongue placed inside the teeth, the tip touching the inside of the lower teeth and the blade touching the inside of the upper teeth as shown here. These sounds are called dental fricatives. The fricatives s and the are produced with the tip and the blade of the tongue moving near the alveolar or alveolar ridge, and the air passing through the narrow passage between the tongue and the alveolar with audible friction. These are called alveolar friction or frication. The fricatives sha and ja are produced with the tip and the blade of the tongue moving near the alveolar and the front of the tongue moving near the hard palate, and the air escaping through the narrow passage between them. Page 6. Tha or tha. Tha is stronger and longer and always voiceless consonants. Examples: author, a person who writes books as a profession writer. Mushtaq Yusufi is author of this book. Earthy, of composed of or characteristics of earth. This pot has an earthy smell. Thin, weak, poor, insufficient. Please see beyond thin black lines. Thing, an object or entity that cannot or need not be precisely named. There are some nice things in the shops this summer. Page 7. Za or da. Da is weaker and shorter and may be voiced consonant. Examples: other, the remaining. I read the other sections of the paper later. Worthy, having sufficient merit or value. 2 points in this report are especially worthy of notice. Then, at that time, over that period of time, if he comes, then you will have to leave the room. There, in, at, or to that place, point, case, or respect. I'm afraid I disagree with you there. 8. Is stronger and longer and always voiceless consonant. Examples: sink, go down below the surface or the bottom of a liquid or soft substance. The Titanic sank to the bottom of the ocean. seal, a stamp, ring, etc., engraved with the device to form such an impression. The lawyer stamped the certificate with his seal. Looser. Looser is defined as more relaxed, less tight, or easier. The law is too strict. It should be made looser. Lacy, made of or decorated with lace, fita, or dori. She often wears lacy clothes. Page 9. Z. Z is weaker and shorter and may be voiced consonant. Examples of Z. Zinc, a brittle bluish white metallic element. Some metals are coated zinc. Zeal, fervent or enthusiastic devotion. He has a great zeal for knowledge. Loser, a person or thing that loses. He is a good loser. He behaves well when he is defeated. Lazy, not inclined to work or exertion. Get out of bed, you lazy thing. Page 10. Sha. Sha is voiceless, palatal fricatives. Examples of Sha. Pressure, a moral force that compels. I cannot perform well under some pressure. Fissure, a weakness or flaw indicating impending disruption or discord. Fissure among governing bodies is cause of decaying empire. Condition, something that limits or restricts something else, or qualification. You may enter only under certain conditions. Nation, an aggregation of people or peoples of one or more cultures, races, etc., organized into a single state. The Pakistani nation is very hard working. Page 11. Ya. Ya is the voiced palate alveolar fricatives. Examples: measure, a particular action intended to achieve an effect. They took measures to prevent his leaving. Eraser, the act or an instance of erasing. Why do you use eraser time and again on your answer sheet? Decision, a judgment, conclusion, or given verdict. She has had to make some very difficult decisions. Vision, the act, faculty of perceiving with the sight. We see in his novels his faulty vision of the future. Page 12. Ha is produced with the air from the lungs passing through a narrow passage in the glottis with friction. Ha is voiceless fricative. Many words are distinguished by the presence or absence of ha, like here and air. Leaving out H is the biggest danger, but lesser error to make it too noisy. Examples of ha: heat, meaning pressure. The political heat on the government over the economy. Hedge, a row of shrubs or bushes forming a boundary to a field, garden, etc. He kicked the ball so powerfully that it flew over the hedge. Whole, constituting the full quantity, extent, etc. I spent the whole day cleaning. Thank you.